If you're a woman who's ever felt sidelined, this one's for you. Picture this. You are at a financial advisor's office with your partner. You're eager, ready to dive into investing, but guess what? The male advisor is talking only to your husband. Yep, you're practically a ghost in the room. You try to chime in, ask questions, but it's like you're not even there. Frustrating, right? You start wondering, is my voice not important? This scenario is all too common. Male financial advisors often overlook women, making us feel sidelined. But here's the thing. Your money, your future, your voice matters. It's time to speak up. Demand the respect you deserve. Find an advisor who listens, who values your input, because you should never feel invisible when it comes to your financial future. Remember, you're not just a bystander. You are a powerhouse. Stand tall and make your voice heard. You got this. Contact us today to take charge of your financial future. Please stay tuned for important disclosures. The opinions expressed in this program are for general informational purposes only and are not intended to provide specific advice or recommendations for any individual or on any specific security. It is only intended to provide education about the financial industry. To determine which investments may be appropriate for you, consult your financial advisor prior to investing. Any past performance discussed during this program is no guarantee of future results. Any indices referenced for comparison are unmanaged and cannot be invested into directly. As always, please remember, investing involves risk and possible loss of principal capital. Please seek advice from a licensed professional. Savvy Women Wealth Management is a registered investment advisor with the SEC.